That's cool, that rocket.
My hair go out. Well. No!
Let's light another one.
Young! Okay, let's go. Oh, Southern Night.
Teka muna. You have to read what it's gonna do, so we know what to...
Hey, dude, let me
Read it.
Masyado may hawak ng camera.
You might break it.
Come on, thanks.
It says beautiful silver chrysanthemum and red stars with whistle and green torch.
Ew. That's cool.
Open.
On the paper, open okay. It. It's like, how do we do this thing? It's like impossible. Don't throw it at me.
Adam, put it on the floor. The newspaper on the floor.
Ooh.
Lamig.
No, it's hot. It's hot outside. It's very hot outside.
Nasaan ba ito sa plastic?
Here we go.
Sabi niya, don't break the plastic.
Come with me.
No.
There's a way.
Hindi ako na.
I got nails. So it smells so burnt.
Why do you have light? Okay.
Ay, nabutas.
Whoops.
You broke it?
I did nothing.
I smell something.
You better wash your hands. Baka pag may hawak, may fire.
Then I gotta go wash my hands. I hope you guys had a happy 2011. That'll be a great 2012. Gun powder in my hand. When my dad said ang lamig in Tagalog, in my language, that's Tagalog, means it's cold. I meant very cold. I'm not really very at my English. Okay. The coins we shook. Christmas still there. Okay.
Oh, I want to do this one. I want to do this one.
I broke that one.
Ooh, this one. You ready?
What's that? Diamond cutter.
Jacob, go to get the lighter.
I'm so told to get a diamond cutter.
Dude, I want a light.
I want a light.
I want a light. I want a light.
Ay, meron pa naman isa doon di ba?
Oh, marami pa. Yeah.
Meron pa isa.
Doorbelling.
Oh, go Jacob! Go there!
Look at the tape.
Dalawa ka? Jacob, meron nakatayo doon.
Jacob, meron na doon.
Jacob, you
meron
have
na
to
doon.
light it now. It will moist. Go.
Right there, the
Near the
middle.
square. Near
The
the
middle.
square. Yes, that one. Yes. You want me to do it?
Look, a skateboard. I think it's it.
No, I don't put it down. Put it down.
That's
Put it down.
Justin's.
Jacob, hold.
No!
Takot siya ka? Mamili siya.
Don't tell me this one. Please don't.
Ay, nasa na yung camera?
Really?
Peace out, enjoy.
Why?